चैप्टर नंबर 2 ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is not a part of the central nervous system? Kidneys. Another name for a nerve cell is neuron. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain. Which of these is a reflex action? Sneezing. To maintain a healthy brain, the diet must contain a plenty of vitamins and minerals. True or false? The central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. True. A nerve is bundle of neurons carrying messages in all directions. False. Only in one direction. A reflex action requires a lot of thought. False. Requires does not require. Left-handed people are more likely to be good at science. False. Right-handed. Neurotoxins are poisons that can kill nerve cells. True. Question number 3. The diagram shows the human brain. Which label point to be the cerebellum? Part B is the cerebellum. Cerebrum, Part A. Hypothalamus, Part F. Medulla, Part C. Pituitary gland, Part E. What does label C point to? Medulla. A stroke is a serious life-threatening medical condition that happens when the blood supply to a part of brain is cut off. If a person suffers a stroke that affects the right side of the brain, suggest what effect might have on their behavior. The person whose right side of a brain is damaged by the stroke will suffer from lack of creativity and imagination, and they will lose interest in music and face difficulty in color differentiation. Question number 4. Match the following body functions with the relevant part of the brain that uh, controls and regulates it. Beating of the heart, medulla. Balance and coordination, cerebellum. Constant body temperature, hypothalamus. Movement of arms and legs, thylamus or cerebrum. Water content of the body, pituitary gland. Question number 5. The diagram shows a synapse. What is a synapse? Junction between two nerve cells. Explain how a synapse works. इसका आंसर पीछे हमारे पास साइनैप्स वाले पैराग्राफ में है. एक्सप्लेन हाउ साइनैप्सेस इनेबल अ पर्सन टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू अ स्टिमुलस इन अ नंबर ऑफ वेज एट द सेम टाइम. इसका आंसर भी हम लोगों ने टेस्ट योरसेल्फ में किया था. Anesthetics are sometimes given to prevent pain during medical procedures. They do this by preventing signals in the nervous system. Suggest how anesthetics might work. It temporarily blocks sensory signals from your nerves to reach the brain. Pain receptors will become inactive. Question number 6. The diagram shows a reflex arc, the pathway taken by nerve impulse in response to a stimulus. Suggest why this is called a reflex arc. Term reflex arc is used to because a new pathway involved in a reflex action forms a curved arc-like structure much like a bow. In this reflex arc, what is the stimulus? Hot plate, response, movement of hand. What is represented by blue line, motor neuron, green line, relay neurons, and red line, sensory neuron? Explain why the green line has a branch running up to the spinal cord. It is a relay neuron which transmits into within the spinal cord. Explain why reflex action is faster than a voluntary response to the same stimulus. Because it requires no thinking. Question number 7. Humans can do lots of things to maintain a healthy brain. Explain why a balanced diet and plenty of fresh air are important to keep brain healthy. The brain is about 75% water. Explain why water content is important. First, because इसका आंसर हमने टेस्ट योरसेल्फ का लास्ट क्वेश्चन दिया था. Suggest why wearing a cycle helmet can you are out cycling is good for brain health. Safety measurement. Some people say that eating fish is good for the brain. Do some research and write whether you agree or disagree with them. Give reasons for your answer. It is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for brain and development and function. It helps to maintain healthy blood vessels, improve memory and may reduce risk of cognitive decline. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें हमने चैप्टर नंबर 2 ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की है. आई होप कि आपको इस पूरे चैप्टर में कोई भी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी. अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक शेयर और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा. हमें दें इजाज़त अगली वीडियो तक के लिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.